The School IPM program recently held a virtual workshop with over 100 people from across California attending. Here are some highlights.
Okay guys, so once again, thank you so much for joining us today. So the Healthy Schools Act was passed in the year 2000.
What is IPM? And it's a long-term pest prevention strategy. It seems like everybody knows what they're talking about in this group.
Okay, let's share the results.
So I think that this is spot on.
We see this classic crescent-shaped mound. We know it's a gopher. Now, that's what you're trying to do. You're trying to take two traps, stick them in as opposite directions, like a melt rather than a burn. And they had the best weed control doing that.
After a few minutes, I like to just give it a twist.
Found some droppings by the front of the building from this rat, and we were able to identify that it's not a pest that we really want to take much action for.
That kind of concludes our workshop. Thank you guys so much.
We had a great time at the workshop and look forward to seeing you at the next one.